Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 World. Today we are going to see how to install and set up a MetaMask wallet. So for that, you need to head on to the link metamask.io. The link will be available in the description also, do check it out. After you go to the link, there will be an option available for download now. Click on it. Then you will be redirected to a download page where you will see Chrome, iOS and Android various options available. Click on install MetaMask for Chrome option in the below. Then you will be redirected to the Chrome web store. I am using Brave browser, so therefore it's telling me install on Brave browser. Once you click that, a pop-up will come to add an extension. Click on that. Then the extension will get downloaded and it will get installed automatically. Just wait for the process to finish. Here you can see below there are various wallets available. We are just going on with MetaMask for now. We'll learn about others eventually. When the MetaMask wallet is installed, you will be shown a page similar to this. Then click on get started. Now if you ever had a MetaMask wallet earlier, you can import it through a secret recovery phase. You will learn about it in this video later on. And if you most of you will be new, so click on a new wallet. Then you can read this is completely optional thing. If you want to help MetaMask improve their wallet and user experience, you can select I agree. Here you have to create a very strong password. Remember, you will be storing your real ETH or cryptocurrency assets, so please have a very secure password for this. Once you have confirmed the password, you can check the terms of use and then agree to it, and then just click on create. After you click on create, you will be redirected to this page. Here you will be prompted, you will get the information about the secret recovery phase. It is a 12-word phase which will help you recover your wallet if in case you forget your password. There is no other way than using your secret recovery phrase, so please keep it very safe. And this can also be used to hack your account. If someone has this secret recovery phrase, he can get your account access. I'm just showing you because I'll be changing that later on, so just keep it safe. Don't show it to anyone. After you have read it, you can also store it somewhere. You can click on download and it will be saved in a text file automatically. Here is just a view how the secret recovery phase looks, and then you can click on next. Here you will have to enter the secret recovery phase in the exact same order as it is given, and just for example, bunker, slow, and then crowd. Then it is color, renew, luck, and then crop, warfare, evolve, and then vast, lunge, and sunny. Click on confirm, and if you have entered it correctly, it will show you congratulations message. Then you can click it next. Here we'll learn about this, what shows how the transactions are read. We will continue it in the next video. So basically now you have set up your MetaMask wallet. Here you can see various accounts, various networks. Currently we are on the Ethereum mainnet. We can have Polygon as well added, other networks as well added. Here you can see your accounts. You can create new account. If you already have an account, you can import an account. You can connect an hardware wallet, and then you can change the settings of your wallet and all. At the top there is your Ethereum address. That would be all that we need. It is like a name. You have a real name in the real world. Through that name people identify you. It's the same way in blockchain, people identify you with your Ethereum address. So yes, that was it for this video. We will be having a complete Solidity course very soon on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And that being said, see you in the next video. Thank you.